over.
Brings you down here. Give the citation for the stick.
You know what today is, Cuppy? It's Caffeine and Cars Day. Oh yes, a Dodge Demon. Is that a Viper? Ah, Dodge Magnum Viper hood. Fraud. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, which means it's Caffeine and Cars today. Unfortunately, we will not be taking the Mustang because, well, the Mustang is nowhere near completion, but you're about to hear a cold start on a 2018 Dodge Demon. Mopar gods in 3, 2, 1. You see, that's just too quiet for me. That's too subtle. 840 horsepower in the morning. It's just not enough. Bye, Demon. So guys, we are in the Ram, headed over to Caffeine and Cars because I don't have any cool car to drive over to Caffeine and Cars, but I'll see you guys over there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed Caffeine and Cars. It was an awesome turnout. If you guys came, thank you so much. That one's always pretty large at Volkswagen because they usually have their little Volkswagen car show at the same time, so they've got like free food out and free drinks, but it was an awesome turnout. Anyways, I'm headed to Lubbock this weekend. If you guys don't know, my girlfriend Kennedy, follow her at Kennedy McCall on Instagram. She usually comes to Amarillo because sometimes I work on the weekends or we're doing car stuff. So she typically comes here, and if you guys don't know, Lubbock's like about an hour and 45 minutes away. Not quite 2 hours, but it's pretty close, just depending on the time of day that you leave. Anyways, I'm actually headed to Lubbock today because she's working there for a little bit, so I'm gonna go to Lubbock for the weekend. And Misa is actually in Lubbock right now. If you guys don't remember Misa, well, I don't want to say what he does on the video because if you're not an OG and you don't know who Misa is, well, then you don't get to know what's going to happen to the car. But if you know who Misa is and know what he does, that's kind of a little hint on what's next to come for the Mustang when it's actually, you know, up and running. Anyways, I'll see you guys in Lubbock. Oh, I wish I was in my Mustang. Someone would get the gap sauce. That's you, buddy. That is you. Clean GTR, though. Currently being pulled over for taillight tint, windshield tint, side window tint.
4%.
What? I'm just giving you a hard time.
Okay.
Yeah. I bought it with the window tint, so.
What's current address?
It's on my insurance.
What's the zip code up there? What brings you down here?
Girlfriend.
I live here.
Gotcha. Look, so that registration sticker just needs to be moved up where you can see it.
Hope I don't rip it.
So, you usually won't. You don't have to do it right now, but just pull it back up where you can see it, okay? Like I said, those tinted tail lamps, man, they've got to be clear.
Really?
Okay, yeah.
But it looks good, right?
I understand how it looks. It's got to be right. Okay. Window tint, 25%.
All the way or just the front?
Just the front.
Okay.
Those front two. Your back windows, your rear windshield, be as dark as you want. Paint them black. You want to. Doesn't matter. Your eyebrow there, way too low. Okay.
What's the distance?
AS1 line or 5 inches. You see where that AS1 is?
Yeah.
Whichever's less. AS1 line or 5 inches. Okay. So this, you're supposed to have that done within 90 days. Okay.
Yeah, I know that.
So okay. All right. So you said you've already been warned on this before?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. What about the window tint?
No, I've never
had any context about that? Okay.
Oh.
All right. So what we're going to do today is you're going to receive a citation for the driver's license violation, okay? It's going to be warnings on everything else. Okay? I'll be right back with you.
Sick. Every time I come here, something happens. Welcome back to the vlog, Kennedy. So, yeah, been in Lubbock about 2 hours and got pulled over. Said my little registration sticker was too low, which I'm sure it is. Said the eyebrow was too low, which I'm sure it is. Said the window tint was too dark. What else? Oh, I can't have the taillights tinted. I can't have my license plates covered, which I just have like a small tint on there. But so I got 4 warnings and then 1 citation because I still haven't changed my license over yet. I keep forgetting.
From Colorado.
Yeah. I like my Colorado license. It makes me feel like I'm still part of Colorado, I guess. I don't know. I hate going to do the license thing. It takes forever. There's babies screaming and kicking in there. So, yeah. That sucks.
I feel like every time.
Something happens every time we come here. Last time I got a flat tire on the trailer. That cost me money. Now this is going to cost me money. These are expensive trips to Lubbock.
This is why you never come here.
Literally why I never come here. This isn't why I never come here, but this does suck. That's just only been recently, the 2 times. I don't think anything.
Yesterday was Friday the 13th, so I just think this whole year is bad too.
That doesn't make sense. You would say that every year.
I meant week.
But you would say that about every week. I didn't have a bad week last year on Friday the 13th.
I did.
You don't know that? So, yeah. And Misa's in town. We're going to go meet up with him pretty soon, but pretty crappy. Someone's always got to ruin all the fun. You're always in the good lighting. What's up, Misa?
What's up, dude?
Could you introduce yourself for people that don't know who you are?
What's up, guys? My name is Misa. Misa Patos on Instagram. I wrapped David's Hellcat, all of Kevin's cars. My business is Illustrious Auto Styling. That's just my logo, though. It's not the actual name. I drive a Type R. I'm out here in Lubbock. Some dude flew me out to wrap a Type R, and I'm going to wrap David's car next week.
Tell him the color. Ready? Go. Okay. So guys, we are back in Amarillo, Texas. This vlog did not go as planned. However, a few things to point out. Caffeine and Cars was lit. I don't know why cops are so picky on the tint laws. I get the side window thing. It's more of like a safety. They say when they walk up to the car, they can't see what you're doing, which I agree with. But what does I don't see how the eyebrow, visor, whatever you want to call that, I don't see how that affects anything, or having the registration sticker too low, or having the tinted taillights, because these are brand new taillights. They have LEDs. You can definitely see it. I get on like an older vehicle, if it has like older bulbs in it and it's already not a very bright taillight, they can't see your taillights. And I kind of agree with the license plate one. I have like a slight smoke cover on it, but I've never had issues with that. And I've been pulled over before for like speeding, and they haven't said anything about any of the other things on my vehicle that this guy just gave me 4 warnings for. So I did get a citation for not having a Texas driver's license, which I keep putting off just because I hate going to the driver's license place. It just takes forever. It's a long, drawn-out process, but I really need to do it. And I'm not taking my tint off. I'm sorry. I'll just get the ticket, I guess. I just like dark tint too much. It makes the car so much cooler. It keeps the interior from fading on the inside, and dark tint just looks good. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Another thing to note, yes, Misa is in town. So Misa used to live with us, actually. He moved here right before I moved to Amarillo, and he was wrapping cars out of here, and then he ended up moving back to California, where he's from, to open his own shop, and he was doing pretty well out there. they are kind of in like their slow season right now, so he thought he would come back and knock out a few cars because Kevin wants some stuff done and I want some stuff done. So the Mustang is getting wrapped. However, no one knows the color yet. I think like I've told like maybe 2 or 3 people. So if you guys think you know the color, comment down below. I want to know what your guys' opinions are. If you don't think you know the color, but you think I should wrap it a certain color, let me know down below. I am not wrapping it satin black like I did my Hellcat. That was a one and done thing. Although satin black looks super good, I don't want to do the same thing. So let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys on the next one. I've got some big Mustang news on the next video about putting in the Turbo 400. And I will just let you know that it is not going as planned and we're not sure what we're going to do. But you guys will find that out in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39. Peace!